Like these rushing waters, time too is passing us by. In this modern world, it seems to be moving faster than ever. There's an incredible pull, a shifting, and we're losing our ability to appreciate the simple rhythms of the universe. I am feeling called to slow down, to take stock of what is truly important in life, to deepen my connection with the earth, with my spirit, with my body and my mind, to find pleasure in the simple activities of day-to-day life, focusing my thoughts and energies on the present moment, feeling gratitude in every single inch of my body and expressing it loudly, and being in awe of the absolute beauty that surrounds me. These are the moments when I feel at peace, when I am free of the burden of time, when I am one with the universe. I encourage you to slow down as well, my friend. Stop rushing mindlessly from one thing to the next, allowing the fast pace of the digital era to distract you from what is truly important. From all of the wonder that is right before your eyes. Take a deep breath and enjoy this moment right here. For when we are present, time simply ceases to exist.